When people see TAMESSO in action, they quickly realize that they can easily get everybody in the organization to just one password in a matter of a few weeks, 2 or 3 weeks, really, which is great. But a logical question to ask is, what happened if I am working from home? At home I have a Mac, which you guys don't have currently an agent for, or I'm working from a kiosk, or I'm working from a remote machine across the Atlantic. So how do I get access to my applications? And most importantly, the password. I forgot all of them because TAMESSO remembers them for me, and the only one that I remember is my only password. The one, for example, the same one that I use for Active Directory or NailDAP, whatever else I use for authentication. So to demonstrate how we deal with that from this Mac, and bringing up Firefox, there's no agent, of course, on this machine, and I'm going to a site that we set up for this demonstration. So John Smith, the one we've been using so far, logs in with the only thing he knows, which is his user ID and password. And when John's log in, he is going to be directed to the web workplace and the remote desktop. And this we're doing it here with Aventil. We can do it with terminal server, Citrix. There are many options to accomplish the same thing for the remote desktop. But for browser-based application like these two that we have here, you don't need anything. Just with TAMESSO browser-based applications, you can go directly. In fact, we made a video of doing the same from an iPod Touch, which there's no way you can install any client there. So if we go to Yahoo Mail here, which was one of the web applications, because of web workplace capabilities, you get logged in as John Smith. If we go to another application, the Medscape one, we also get logged in automatically as John Smith. Very good. But what happens if we go to a remote web desktop? And actually this is a remote site with a lot of bandwidth constraints at the moment, but I think it is good to show the resilience and the capability of TAMESSO for dealing with any type of situation, even machines with poor performance, like this one where we have this remote web desktop installed. TAMESSO knows exactly when to inject the credentials for a particular application. So if we go, for example, to this FileMail application, John gets his credentials injected on his behalf. Bang, he's in. And we also, in the workflow, click on the first patient in here. So all that is good. We've seen that before, no surprises there. But this is a GUI interface, and I don't have the GUI on my desktop. So that's what I'm using, remote web desktop. But what happens if we go to a very slow responding mainframe application? Notice that the emulator is having just a hard time painting the screen. It's taken a long time to do so. But again, the access agent knows exactly when the application is ready for the credentials to be injected. And it does so, and the user gets logged in. You see, it knows that that's the time to inject the credentials, and the screen hasn't even fully cleared, but John Smith is already logged in. So again, you don't have to have an agent to enjoy TAMESSO, regardless of whether you are anywhere in the world logging into your systems.